For those seeking action, crime and a bit of vernacular, Gangs of Wasseypur Part 2 is out in the cinemas. But the real story is coal. Dhanbad's black coal started gang wars soon after it was nationalized. NDTV travelled to Wasseypur, a locality in Dhanbad, and met the real Gangs of Wasseypur.
A land littered with money is how the coal capital of India, Dhanbad, is described. Every year, 29 million tons of prime coal leave this town in Jharkhand for the rest of India and abroad. After the coal mines were nationalized in the early 70s, Dhanbad's black gold triggered off a war of gangs. The truth of Wasseypur, a large locality in Dhanbad, bloody for its residents but inspiring to filmmakers.
Welcome to special report from Wasseypur, the town on which the Bollywood movie Gangs of Wasseypur is based. Here we look at the changing face of mafia who reigns supreme over the coal fields of Dhanbad.
सरदार खान नाम है हमारा, बता दीजिएगा सबको.
Sardar Khan's character in Anurag Kashyap's Wasseypur actually once lived. The board outside his son Fahim Khan's home describes him as the first millionaire of Wasseypur. He is also known as the first Don of the region. Fahim Khan is now behind bars and his son Iqbal is in and out of jail, fearing revenge by those his family killed. He now lives in Calcutta and feels the film's depiction of the mafia was accurate.
जो कैरेक्टर देख के ठीक ही लगा, ओरिजिनल दिखा रहा है, प्योर दिखा रहा है, जो हुआ है वो दिखा रहा है. लगभग पूरा ही मिलता जुलता है, 90% मिलता जुलता और 10% मूवी में तो ऐड करता ही प्रमोटिंग करने के लिए.
The fight for control over Dhanbad's goldfield continues. In today's Wasseypur, being a don is not enough. Gangsters at war are either politicians themselves or enjoy political support. Singh Mansion is home to the oldest coal mafia turned politician's family. It all started with Suryadev Singh, who in the late 70s started seeking control over different processes in the production of coal, from mining to transporting and providing labour to silencing those who questioned him. To sustain his empire, he quickly formed political alliances. It's believed India's former Prime Minister Chandrasekhar was a friend. His wife Kunti Devi is now a BJP MLA from Jharia, and his nephew and successor Neeraj Singh is the current deputy mayor of Dhanbad.
यही है कि एक छोटा सा भी अगर कुछ इंसिडेंट हो जाता है तो अब एक पीछे टैग लगा हुआ है, लोग उसको जोड़ लेते हैं, पर ऐसा कुछ नहीं. हाँ, मगर प्रॉब्लम ऑफ कोर्स जरूर होती है सोसाइटी में जाने पर. लोगों के मन में ये है कि माफिया फैमिली से हैं और काफी दबंग है, पर उसको हम लोग भी जितने भाई हम लोग के अभी मेरे जनरेशन में हम लोग सब लोग अभी बहुत ही पब्लिक के बीच में जाके और ये सब जो भी हम लोग के ऊपर स्पॉट्स लगे हैं उसको हम लोग क्लियर करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं और बहुत हद तक हम लोग हुए भी.
And that's perhaps easier said than done. Most family members have been to prison, facing charges of extortion, loot and murder. But one murder that forces them to keep their doors locked and surrounded by henchmen is of Sakal Deo Singh, who challenged the Singh family's supremacy. He was gunned down in 1999 and his son Ranvijay has been preparing for revenge.
आज जो भी लोग घटना को अंजाम दिए हैं, अगर इतना ही शेर हैं तो फिर क्यों नहीं आकर के घूमते हैं? घूमिए और क्राइम करके बच जाना, बच करके निकल जाना, वो बहादुरी होता है.
And while he is close to the Congress, his opponents are BJP politicians. This family's deep political links go back decades, when Chandrasekhar was the Prime Minister.
We advised him not to go. We said we can call him at where we had put him up at the Bharat Coking Coal Limited guest house. But Prime Minister insisted that he would like to go there. Prime Minister visiting that was a big event, and that sort of increased whatever credibility the gentleman had.
And it isn't just political connections, both families exercise power through the trade unions they control. The tradition began with Surya Jayadeo Singh and the Janta Mazdoor Union he headed, which had thousands of colliery workers as members. Each month 50 rupees was taken from each worker's salary for the union. But no one rules the gold mines of Dhanbad for too long. Today the two Singh clans have competition in Dhullu Mahato an Adivasi with a 3,000-strong cadre called Tiger Force. Dhullu is also a Jharkhand Vikas Morcha MLA from Bagmara near Dhanbad.
आप बनने का प्रयास करेगा, किसी कीमत पर यहाँ मानेंगे, उसको यहाँ से जाना होगा। भाई बन के, बंधु बन के कमा खा सकता है, सब मिलजुल के खा सकते हैं। बाप बनने का प्रयास करेगा, ढुल्लू मत तो नहीं मानेगा।
The past and future of these gangsters is intricately linked to collecting extortion money, popularly called Rangdari, in Bihar and Jharkhand. Thousands of trucks pass through the region every day and are coerced into paying a tax imposed by operating gangs. Railway wagons are not allowed to run until the gang lords are paid. But the biggie is the contracts backed by their men.
कोल के ऊपर में जो व्यवस्था यहाँ चल रही है, इस पे लगभग नियंत्रण इसका है। कहने को भारत कुकिंग कोल लिमिटेड इस व्यवस्था को चलाता है, लेकिन नियंत्रण किसी और का ही चलता है।
कैसे?
ये एक गठजोड़ चलता है जिसमें कोयले की रेजिंग से लेके, कोयले की ढुलाई से लेके, कोयले की बंदरबार तक सब लोग इसमें इन्वॉल्व हैं।
Last year, the BCCL posted a profit of over 1,000 crore on a turnover of over 7,000 crore. Tata Steel, BCCL, IISCO have mines, but believe the government needs to step in for any real change.
You know, overnight things we cannot just expect the culture to be changed in overnight. Vigilance team को बुला के उसको check करवाना. These are the things what we can do as a management. We are not, and the other agencies are doing all the investigations, so they will be able to bring out the.
सरकार में इच्छा शक्ति की कमी है। एक दूसरे राजनीतिक दल के नेता किसी न किसी रूप से उसमें इन्वॉल्व हैं, संलग्न हैं। उनका आय का स्रोत है यूनियन, सबसे बड़ा स्रोत है, बिना हिसाब के, बिना टैक्स के। बिहार के एक मंत्री ने बहुत अच्छा कहा था, काई माफियागिरी कुछ नहीं है, कोयले के लूट के हिस्सेदारी है।
Ranvijay, Neeraj, Dhullu. The cast of characters keeps changing while the battle to control black gold continues.
तूती जिसका बोल रहा है उसको भी हम देख रहे हैं, और समय आने पर तूती जब बोलेगा, किसका क्या बोलेगा, जब नेक्स्ट टाइम आप आइएगा तो देखिएगा किसका तूती बोलेगा।